Okay, I thought this one was so fun. Welcome to my pack and prep video for our upcoming week-long trip to Rosemary Beach, Florida. So I kind of started this video a little out of order. Before I even started thinking about what to pack, I went ahead and did my makeup and got my hair done. Honestly, I just wanted to feel a little more put together before diving into the mess of planning and trying on outfits, but trust me, it's a whole process. Now that I'm all set to feel fab, let's move on to prepping and packing for this beach getaway, starting with my packing list. Then I'll show you the outfits I tried on and what made it into the suitcase for our week at Rosemary Beach. Okay, we're back at the house and hair is redone, feeling great. So that's one check off my list. I kind of probably started this a little backwards. We probably should have started with making a list first. So first up, make your list. So I'm gonna start my list, and at the top of that list was get ready. Next on the list was get my hair done. After that, the next logical step would be to pick out outfits. After that would be try on outfits, actually pack. I still also need to get my toes done, which I'll do closer to the trip. I also have to coordinate with our dog sitter to make sure that our dogs are taken care of. And if you're like me, I have to clean before I leave on vacation. The absolute worst thing, in my opinion, is coming home to a dirty house after a long vacation. The last thing I want to do after a vacation is clean the house. I want to come home, I want my sheets to be fresh and clean, everything in its place, and all I have to do is the laundry from the trip and be done with it. So that is a high priority item on the to-do list, but it will get done maybe like 2 days out from leaving. So clean house. We're gonna have to shop for food, but we'll likely do that closer to actually arriving in Florida. We'll probably stop at a grocery store that's near our Airbnb. I'll put it on the list, but that's not as big of a deal. What I do have to do is pack for my son. So pack for Peyton. My husband can pack for himself, thankfully. And then we'll have to get together all of the beach items. So get beach items. That'll include the cooler, a speaker for the beach, beach towels, boogie board, spike ball. I don't know if we want to take our cornhole. That seems like a lot. We do need a wagon though, that for sure. So this is a really big to-do list, but it will get done. Some of these lists have sub-lists, but those will also get done. So I think now that we have a good list going, the next thing I'm gonna do is pick out my outfits. So this is the first dress. I really love this one. It's from a local boutique here where we live. It's called Mustard Seed. What I really love is that it has pockets. I know it's not super beachy because it's, dark, but it's just the fit and the flow. It's got a cute little cutout here, a little tie. I've always been really comfortable in this one, so I really like this one. And I've got these black and cream wedges that go, and a little black clutch that would be nice for an evening dinner. So this one will probably go. Okay, this one's a totally different vibe. So we've gone from black to white. I do have on 2 different color shoes or different style shoes. I don't know which one I like more, so maybe you tell me down in the comments which one you like more. And I've got this like little neutral clutch that will go with it. So I've got these, actually I just picked these up from Target. They are a New Day brand. And then these are also from Target. They're the universal thread. So I'm not sure, this one's got like some gold detail on it. But this eyelet dress is super cute. I picked this up from Nordstrom Rack. Very summery, very flowy. Again, just for going out to a nice dinner. Rosemary has a lot of really nice fine dining restaurants, so I want to make sure that I have something that I can dress up, dress down. So let me know in the comments which shoe you like better. Okay, so again on the neutral track, which you probably will see a trend with my dresses. I just got this dress from Target. I think it's universal thread, but the material and the quality was just so nice. I love it. I can wear this to work. I can wear this like practically anywhere. And it's a little heavier than the other dresses, not quite as flowy, but whenever we go to the beach, if you get like a sunburn, by the end of the day, I always feel like I'm a little chilly. So I think this will be okay, especially if we're inside at restaurants. And I do like this one with these sandals, which is a plus because I don't want to pack too many shoes. The same little clutch, which is nice that it goes with multiple outfits. So I like this one a lot. Okay, I thought this one was so fun. I also got this one at Target, but I loved the seashell print and extra points. It has pockets. It's got a cute little cutout on the back. The print are these little seashells and starfish. I just thought it was super cute, especially for the beach. In summertime, it goes with those shoes, again, from Target, and the same clutch, so we are kind of maintaining a capsule wardrobe, I guess. I don't know. I guess it's capsule accessories, because the shoes and the handbags go with everything. So, love this one. Okay, so we're back on the neutral track. I told you you'd see a trend. I love this dress. It's so flattering. Super sexy, very comfortable. Love the crochet. It has a slip under it, so you don't have to worry about any of that. But I got this from Altered State, and I just love it. It's super comfy. Love the color. Again, it goes with the shoes and the handbag, so we are on track. This one is very cruise-ish, which I imagine somebody would wear on a cruise. I've never been on a cruise, but I bought this one earlier this year for our Mexico vacation in March. It's got a nice little slit. It's this really cute tropical print. So it's got a necktie and a little gold detail. So I guess they're palm leaves, but it's very nice. I got it at a local boutique. It's called Dress for Los Angeles, I think. Never heard of it before, but it's very comfortable and very tropical and not one of my neutral dresses. So had to change it up a little bit. Okay, last but not least, we have this one, which is very loud compared to the rest of the dresses I've tried on. I'm not sure if I want to take this one. I did just buy this one from Nordstrom Rack. It's called the Good Journey, and it's comfortable. The material isn't quite as like flowy. It's a little more stiff than the other dresses. And I don't imagine I'll be wearing a dress every single night because I don't think we're gonna do fine dining or like upscale dining every night. I imagine we'll probably go to some places that do like, you know, casual seafood, and I'll probably just wear like jean shorts and like a tank top. But let me know what you think about this dress. It's very loud and I am very pale. So I think maybe once I get a tan, maybe I'll feel differently about it. So what do you think about this dress? And I don't think I'll wear heels because this one is kind of short, which is crazy because I'm only 5'4". So this one I would probably wear with, you know, some flats like my Tory Burch flats or another sandal. I'm not entirely sure. So let me know what you think about this one. I might take it, I might not. I might just buy a new dress, go shopping while I'm in Florida. I know they have tons of boutiques, but I've heard they're kind of expensive. So I don't know if we're gonna be doing a lot of shopping, but yeah. Okay, so in addition to all the dresses, which was like a week worth of dresses that I pulled out, I have to pack swimsuits, which I have here, and I don't know if I'm gonna pack all of them or just some of them. I have this one, which is really cute. It's kind of, the white's kind of gotten dingy because I wore it in Mexico, but this one's from Amazon. It's like super cheap, but it's very cute. And it has these bottoms which are kind of cheeky, so might not wear these on family vacation. I might swap them out with some plain black ones that aren't quite as cheeky. This one, this is like last season from Target. It's the Shade and Shore. So it's really cute. Snake skin, and it's got these little chain details. And then I didn't like the bottom, so I got these off of Amazon, but it matched the blue. This one is from this season. It's from Everything But Water. It's super cute. The fabric is like this really shimmery, cute material, and it's really bright, which sometimes I'm not into bright swimsuits, but I like this one. This one is one of my absolute favorites, and I don't know the brands. I think these are Becca. They might not be, but they're both from Shade and Shore. Sorry, not Shade and Shore. They're both from Everything But Water. This one, I love it. It's this green color. It looks so nice on my skin tone with dark hair. It's got, again, like kind of like this chain, not detail, it's like part of the strap, but it's very different, and I like the texture and the texture of the pattern. I think it's like, looks like kind of zebra pattern, but really, really love this color, love this swimsuit. This one I got this year at Target, fun red, white, and blue. I guess these are like, I guess you'd call them bandeau, I'm not entirely sure, but I like this style. And then cover-ups, I have these. These are both, again, from Everything But Water, one of my favorite swim stores to look for bikinis. This one has some really fun sequin details in it, and it ties in the middle. This is Surf Gypsy. It's super comfortable on. And then I have this black one. This one is Becca. It's inside out, but it's also from Everything But Water. Again, it's got that fun shimmery detail. So that one will be going with, and then I'll need blue jean shorts, which I'll probably take the ones that I'm wearing, which are Paige. I get them at Nordstrom Rack. They fit really well. I have these and I have another pair, and I'll probably pack this tank top, this white tank top, and maybe a few other options just to have in case we go and do other activities besides just swimming and going out to eat, if we're going shopping, or if there's a rainy day and we end up going to do some sort of activity. Not entirely sure, but I'm gonna pack it all, and I'm going to pack it in a carry-on because unfortunately my full-size suitcase was smashed. Had been through airport security too many times and the corner cracked, so I am down to carry-on only size luggage, which is okay. I should be able to fit it all, so let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm in a good place. I have knocked off the majority of stuff from my checklist. The rest of the stuff is gonna get done closer to the time of the trip, so I think we're in a good place for now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it. Again, it's my very first pack and prep with me, so if you enjoyed it, let me know, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments. And I do have to pack my backpack, which is gonna have all of my vlogging equipment in it. Because we are vlogging this entire trip to Rosemary Beach, Florida. So if you did like this video, I hope you'll subscribe, hit that bell, and get notified whenever we do post our vlog from Rosemary Beach, Florida. So until next time, I'll see you at the beach. Bye.